Good day, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to our video and Happy New Year. Today we're going to discuss another topic in the mathematics in the modern world. And that topic is the introduction to logic. The introduction to logic. Previously, in the last few videos, in fact, last year, we have discussed the notion of what is mathematics in different perspectives. And na-mention noon na one of the topics in the mathematics in the modern world is logic. And alam naman natin na we have an intuitive idea what logic is. Now, let's define an introduction dun sa field of logic. Now, let's get started. Ngayon, logic is the study of the methods and principles used to distinguish good or correct from bad or incorrect reasoning. 'Di ba? Ano ibig sabihin nun? It is a way, it is a method para masabi kung ano yung good or correct sa incorrect or bad na reasoning. Halimbawa, masabi mo, meron kang paraan para masabi na tama o mali yung isang bagay. Yan ang sinasabi ng logic. So ngayon, kukulayan natin yun in this color. Kasi yun yung tinutukoy natin. Logic. That is logic for you guys. Ayun. And if you notice, nagpalit tayo ng screen. Black na siya. And puwera sa dati. And I want to apologize. Medyo paus tayo ngayon. Pero let's just do it. Yan. Logic focuses on the relationship among statements rather than the content of just one statement. Ibig sabihin, yan ang sinasabi, relationships among statements. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang nakasalalay. Parang merong previous statements na nagsasabi kung totoo ba o hindi ang isang bagay. Parang may mga sangay na statements, hindi lang isang statement. Ganun ang logic. Halimbawa, ano nga ba example ng statements na tinutukoy natin? Kasi yun yung isang magandang tanong. Halimbawa, if a number is prime, then kahit hindi niyo na alam yung kung ano yung prime basta if a number is prime, ibig sabihin, then every man loves to eat broccoli. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin, kapag prime ang isang number, then lahat ng mga lalaki or lahat ng mga tao loves to eat broccoli. Ito yung statement 1. This is the first statement. Ngayon, ano yung pangalawa? If every man loves to eat broccoli, then the moon is made of cheese. Ito yung second statement. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, if lahat ng mga tao loves to eat broccoli, then yung buwan daw ay gawa sa keso. Yun ang sinasabi. Dun sa third statement, makikita nyo, third statement, a number is prime. Di ba, a number is prime, then every man loves to eat broccoli. Kapag every man loves to eat broccoli, then the moon is made of cheese. Di ba? Naiintindihan niyo ba yung logic doon? Yung connection? Kapag ang number daw ay prime, di lahat ng tao mahilig sa broccoli. Kapag lahat ng tao mahilig sa broccoli, then yung buwan daw gawa sa keso. Sa third statement, sinabi na a number is prime. Anong conclusion? Hence, the moon is made of cheese. This is the third statement. Ayan ang sinasabi nung nasa introduction kanina. Logic focuses on the relationship among statements rather than just the content of just one statement. Ibig sabihin, may basihan ka palagi para masabi yung validity. Okay. Now, in the above statements, common sense would dictate us that the above arguments can never be true because of absurdity. Ano yung absurdity? Ibig sabihin, di ba, kapag ba ang number ay prime, ibig sabihin ba lahat ng mga tao mahilig sa broccoli? Kapag lahat ng tao mahilig sa broccoli, ang buwan ba ay gawa sa keso? Sinasabi ng common sense natin na hindi siya totoo kasi it sounds weird, di ba? But if the first two statements are assumed to be true, ito yung pinakano dito ha. Wait lang. Ayun na nga. Assume to be true. If in-assume mo itong first statement ay true, saka true, ibig sabihin, by logic, it assures us the statement, the moon is made of cheese, is also true. 'Di ba? And New Year and the dog is still barking. Very good. Ngayon, sinabi lang naman, by logic, yung dalawang statements na yun, kapag daw totoo siya, ibig sabihin yung third statement na yung a moon is made of cheese, ito, is also true. Yun ang sinasabi ni logic. Kasi ang tawag dyan is a logical consequence of the previous two statements. Ibig sabihin, itong dalawang ito, itong third statement is a logical consequence. Is a logical consequence. Yung third statement. Kasi nga, nanggaling yung validity niya or yung pagkatotoo dun sa first two statements. Kasi inassume ang totoo siya. Ayun. So, ibig sabihin sa logic, anong gusto lang ano yung moral of the story nito? Logical statements may not make sense by common sense. Hindi, pangit man siya pakinggan. Pero, ina-assume natin siyang totoo pa rin. Kasi most of the time, people tend to confuse common sense with logic. Di ba yun yung palaging sinasabi kapag may mga arguments dyan. Wala kang common sense, wala kang logic. Kasi di ba they tend to confuse it. Pero, in the study of logic, it is advised that one has to somewhat leave common sense behind and just focus on the rules of reason instead. Kapag sinabing totoo yung statement na yon by logic, kasi may mga rules yan eh, soon enough, we will learn about these certain rules. Kapag nalaman na natin yung mga rules na yan, doon natin masasabi or ma-establish ang pagkatotoo ng isang statement. And that is logic for you guys. I'm advising you to leave the common sense behind. Kailangan mag-base lang tayo sa reasoning kung ano yung statement. Kapag sinabing totoo siya, ay di totoo siya. Ganon. Ngayon lang ang sinasabi ng logic dito. And in the next few videos, we will be discussing what are the fundamentals of logic. Kumbaga ito lang ay parang introduction to the notion of what logic is. Ngayon, I hope you learned something today. I hope that you have appreciated this first discussion about logic in the mathematics in the modern world videos. In the next few videos, we will be defining what a proposition is, what is a proposition, and what is a truth table. And till then, mathematicians, keep safe and have a great day. Goodbye now.